Hey guys, today we're going to be making unicorn slime and metallic slime. So let's get started. We're going to do the metallic slime first. So I just got my glue open, my blue metallic glue open. And I'm just squeezing it in. Guys, look how metallic that is. Wait, guys, look. Look how metallic that is. That's so metallic. And then simply just take some activator and just put it in. Put some magical liquid. I use magical liquid because it came with the metallic slime kit. But you don't have to use magical liquid. You can use like detergents like Tide, borax solution. Borax solution, yeah, so you can use many things. I'm already gonna go in with my hands because it's like a glob already. Oh my goodness. Oh, that feels so weird. But I feel like clumping together. Look at that. It's clumping, but like still very sticky. I'm gonna pop that back in my bowl. Oh, my hands are all dirty. Can't put the activator. No. Wait, let me just dirty the bottle. I recently realized these metallic glues are really hard to activate and like when you put all the activator that you need to use because it's not activating, it over activates and it's so annoying because I tried it with the pink one that came in the kit. So I'm just mixing it. I mean, it looks nice, but I think we just need slime. I don't really think right now at this point we don't need good looks right now. We just need slime. So it's coming off my hands, which is good. So that means it's becoming slime. Look at it. Wow. But it's still not slime yet. Still a little sticky. Just gonna add a little. And this magical liquid is like super clumpy. It's like super duper clumpy. But it's so cool. And it activates really nicely. Okay, so I have my slime, I think. So I'm just gonna quickly just clean the bowl where I made my slime in. Well, not clean the bowl, but like just put some of the leftover slime in my slime, and then I'll show you the slime up close. I'll show you the slime up close. So I'm just gonna quickly put the slime up here. Show me slime. Okay, and then get the activator cap. So guys, I'm just cleaning. I'm still just like cleaning the mess that I made. Put that over there. Oh, don't fall. You don't want that. Alright, so now let me show you the slime up close. Because it's pretty bougie. So look at that slime. Isn't that pretty? It's very metallic. I don't know, it's not metallic. It's not as metallic it is in human than in camera. It kind of looks green in camera, but it's actually like really blue. I really like it. It's really nice and like crackly. I think that's what you call it. I don't know. It does good pokelos. Pokelos, look. Alright, that's enough ASMR. Now let's go to the unicorn slime. Actually, no, we're not going to make a unicorn slime. I'm just going to show you all of my slimes. I'm going to show you all my slimes that I made. Like, I didn't make all of them, but, like, that I have, basically, all my slimes that I have. And it's going to be really cool. Okay, so I'm going to bring all my slimes. Oh my god, what is this stuff? Okay, I'm going to bring all of my slimes. Because it was my birthday recently. So I got a lot of slime because I love slime. So these are all my slimes that I have up here. So I have this crystal clear Elmer's goose slime. I don't want to play with it because I don't want to bubble it up. I have this also crystal clear Elmer's goose slime, but I bubbled it up. I have this slime that we just made. I have this unicorn slime that I made yesterday. It's like blue iridescent with little iridescent glitters. I don't know if you can see the iridescent glitters, but they're there and they're really pretty. I really like this slime. And I have my other slime. This slime has been through falling on the floor. This is actually 3 slimes mixed together. It's a purple slime. Do you hear that, ASMR? Do you hear that? Wait. It's really cool. So, that's my slime collection. Well, I guess we should end the video now, so. So guys, I'm gonna end the video now, and so, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Definitely subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please put your post notifications on so you don't miss any of our videos. So, and please view our videos. All of our videos are really good. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Bye.